Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove a warming drawer on an oven or range. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have this warming drawer on my oven or range. I sort of use those terms interchangeably. And I'm going to show you how to remove this one right here. Now yours might be slightly different, so be sure to check out your user manual or your owner's manual to figure out the exact instructions for yours. But hopefully this can help you at least a little bit with your own specific warming drawer on your oven. Let's get right into the video. So as you can see, they slide out and in, just like that, right? Now, your warming drawer, just like mine, probably stops sliding at a certain point. And if you look on the sides of your warming drawer, you are hopefully going to find something like this. There are these little tiny little levers, and they're clear. They're just like this clear sort of plastic, so it's hard to see, but you can see them disappear, and then it pops out right there. Now, on this specific warming drawer, on one of the levers, I have to lift it up, which is on the left side right there, I believe. I'll find out in a moment. And yes, I'm correct. And then on the other lever right here on the right side, I have to push it down. So simultaneously, on one side, I'm pulling the drawer all the way out. Then on one side, I'm lifting up. On the other side, I'm pressing down. And then I can slide the drawer out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the camera down right there. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Actually, I'll bring the camera over here so you can see, you can have a better view of what I'm going to do. Okay, so right now you can see on the side right here, I'm going to be simultaneously lifting this up, okay, which is with my left hand right here. And then with my right hand, I'm pushing the other one down. Now that one is up and one is down, I can slide it back, okay? So now I can slide it back, and then they're being held in the positions that I placed them in. So now I can actually take the drawer and just slide it out of place, okay? Let's just bring the camera back a little bit more. So I can take the drawer and slide it out. And as you can see right here, I have removed the warming drawer. It is completely out of place. Now a quick note, be absolutely sure to have your warming drawer powered off and completely cold and cool before you do this. So I haven't used this warming drawer in months, so I have nothing to worry about. But make sure that your warming drawer is powered off, so make sure it's off and completely cold or cool before doing this, okay? Very, very important. And to put the warming drawer back in, I might as well demonstrate that too, since it's really simple. You just slide it back in place. So I'm getting the rails and I'm just lining them up to where they were before. Okay, so I have one rail in, the other rail in, and I'm going to push it in place. And when I push the warming drawer in, you're going to hear it click. That's going to be those levers getting back into place. So check this out. There we go. That click signifies that the levers that hold the warming drawer in place are back in place. So I can slide it closed just like that. Slide it open and it stops again, just like it did. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.